How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. First up, open up the TikTok app in your iPhone devices and go to the profile section. Here on the top, you can see your account name, beside which you can see a small arrow pointing downwards. Click on the name of your account that you see on the top, and upon clicking the option, you will see a pop-up box appear in your screen as you can see in the video. Here you have an option to add account at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on the add account option, this will then redirect you to the login page of your new account that you want to add to your TikTok. Here, as you can see, upon clicking the add account option, you now have the sign up page open up. You can also log into an existing account by clicking on the login option at the bottom of the screen. And this is how you can easily add multiple accounts to your TikTok app in your iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.